of all, we arrange all the digits in this number in ascending order. Now we write the number as it is, 0, 6, 7, 8, 9. But this number is wrong. Why? Because since the 0 is at the starting, we are actually left with a 4-digit number. But the question asks you to write a smallest 5-digit number. So what you will do? You will actually swap these two numbers, 0 with the smallest number 6. So your new number will be 6, 0, 7, 8, 9. This is your answer. First of all, let's write this digit in descending order. Now if we write the digits like this, 9, 6, 4, 2, 0, and we want the greatest decimal number, so we would place the decimal just before the last digit. So it would be 9642.0. But this answer is wrong. Why? Because since we have 0 at the end, and it is after the decimal, it has no value. This number is actually equal to 9642, which is a 4-digit number, which is wrong because the question asks you to write the greatest decimal number using all the digits. So what we will do is, we will swap these last two digits. So it will be 9640.2. Now the trick here is to understand that even if the question has not asked you to write a 5-digit number, still if you have only 0 after the decimal, it actually counts this as a whole number and not a decimal number. Therefore, you have to write a digit after the decimal which is other than 0. So we swapped the last two digits and we wrote 9640.2. You will not write only 48 here or 48 hundredths, since you will always see the last digit of the decimal is 8 and it is at 10th, 100th, 1000th. It is at 1000th position, right? So first you will write what the number asks you, which is 48, and then you will write its place value, which is thousandths. So 12 and 48 thousandths. In this question, since we need the smallest number, we will check the digit just after the decimal, which is at 10th place, since all the digits before the decimals are 0. The digit which is the least at 10th place is the smallest number. So in A it is 0, in B it's 9, and C and D are 1 and 1. So 0 is the smallest, therefore A is your answer. Let me know if you have any other doubts or questions you want me to solve, and I can make a video on that or answer your questions in the comments below.